Local search isn't a one-and-done game. Google rewards businesses that are active, accurate, and engaged. That means if your profile is sitting still, it's falling behind, losing rankings, clicks, and trust to competitors who are updating their GBP weekly. That's where Ask 8 comes in. Our monthly Google Business Profile Management service keeps your listing optimized, current, and compelling, so you keep getting found and chosen. Who this is for: businesses serious about dominating local search. Those who've optimized once but aren't maintaining momentum, companies with ongoing offers, services, or seasonal updates. Local businesses that want professional help and peace of mind. What we do every month. 1. Continuous profile. Optimization. We refine your categories, services, attributes, and business details to keep your listing in sync with Google's algorithm updates and seasonal trends. 2. Weekly Google posts. We publish relevant branded posts, events, promos, tips, updates to show Google your business is alive and engaging customers. 3. Review, monitoring, and responses. We monitor incoming reviews and respond using pre-approved reputation-boosting language. We also escalate any issues or concerns. 4. Q&A engagement. We seed the questions and answers section with smart FAQs and manage responses to real inquiries. 5. Visual content refresh. We upload new images, videos, and branding assets to keep your listing fresh and visually appealing. 6. Edit, suggestions, and listings. Defense. We monitor for malicious or mistaken user edits and keep your profile accurate and secure. 7. Monthly performance reports. You get a report showing profile views, direction requests, calls, search queries, and map rankings. Plus, we include actionable insights to help guide future strategies. 8. Dedicated account manager. Your personal GBP expert will check in regularly, track progress, and answer any questions you have. Why monthly management is critical. Google prioritizes active listings and search results. Regular content boosts visibility and engagement. Review responsiveness enhances customer trust. Ongoing updates reduce risk of suspension or penalties. Data-driven reports show ROI and performance trends. Timeline, monthly rollout, weekly touchpoints. Weekly, posts, edits, photo updates. Monthly, reporting, audits, optimization pass. Common questions: can I do this myself? Sure, if you have the time, tools, and strategy. But most business owners don't. That's why our clients let us handle it while they focus on growing. How long before I see results? Many clients notice better rankings and more calls within 30-60 days. Growth compounds over time. Is there a contract? No long-term contracts. Stay as long as you're seeing results, and most do. Why choose Ask 8? Because this isn't just set and forget profile babysitting. We actively manage, monitor, and enhance your GBP using data, trends, and real-world expertise. You get local SEO strategy without lifting a finger. Keep your GBP performing like a pro PS. Local search is never one and done. With Ask 8 in your corner, your listing stays fresh, relevant, and ready to rank. All the best to your success.